What is happening, everybody? John Denton here, back with another one. Anne-Marie doing a new song with KSI and Digital Farm Animals. It's called Don't Play. Just dropped about an hour ago. Excited to hear this one. KSI's been getting better and better. That track with Craig David, lyrically wasn't too sure about, but it's been a banger on the radio. Let's see what he's cooking up next. JJ keeping us fed over this crazy lockdown time. Right, let's do this.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When they
Okay, bringing the boxing angle in. All right.
hitting this deep, don't play yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the
Going for that UK garage sound again, like the previous track. The kind of resurgence in garage is interesting, actually, because, listen, there was a few bangers back in the day, 20 years ago, and I lived in Southampton back then, which is like one of the hubs, but ultimately, there ain't that many good UK garage songs. There really wasn't. It was kind of like a brief moment in time, but this resurgence with Craig David's come back better, I think. You've got the AJ Tracy stuff, the track with Mabel, the track with Georgia Smith. They're both good as well. So it's like the resurgence is almost better than the original. But we'll see. You know, long way to go in this one. It's got the beat, though.
feels hit me differently. When they hitting this deep, don't play.
Fair play. Fair play.
All that time on your
Fair play. I thought he was going to teach us a proper technique. He teaches the JJ versus Logan Paul. Hey, you want you to fight?
Down Logan, no. And those wild swings, they're unorthodox, but they seem to be working. They're unpredictable.
Feels hit me differently. When they hitting this deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah,
all
yeah.
that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I
Okay.
told you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you.
Okay. I think this works better than what you were sounding like on the Craig David track. Not quite singing, but not quite rapping. Just somewhere in between, a little bit more tuneful. Okay, what's he saying? What's he saying? No wrecking your balls Miley, hopefully, on this one.
With me, we had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride, no.
Sounds better with a softer voice like that. I said that before when I was talking about his album. I prefer him sounding like this. A little bit of auto-tune, not quite that same deep impact in his voice, just flowing through the beat a little bit better. Listen, it's getting to the point where I forget that I'm hearing KSI, YouTuber KSI doing music, and I'm just like, oh yeah, that's KSI on the track, which is, you know, pretty big credit to him. Yeah, not bad tune, this.
Time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride, no.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee.
Nice bit of
Now
heart.
the feels hit me differently. When they hitting this deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When they hitting this deep, don't play.
I'm guessing the pig mask guy's Digital Farm Animals. I've got to, like, does he do the beat? I don't know. I don't know who that is. But I like people with crazy electric masks.
Yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I
Okay.
think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat.
When you hear her singing, and obviously excellent voice, works really well on the track, and then you go back to KSI. I'm being super picky now, but I think that when you're getting #1 platinum record, I think that's fair. He's ever so slightly early in the pocket on the beat. Now, when I said that before in other reactions, people think that I mean he's offbeat. He's not offbeat, but there's little pockets in and around beats in music. They're quite big, actually. You come in really late on a beat. Listen to swing music. People come so late on a beat. Creates a more languid style. When you listen to her, she's really finding the exact pocket in the beat to create a bigger impact. JJ's coming in a little bit too early. And I mean, it's small amounts, but it's making it sound a little bit rushed. These are small amounts. This is fine details I'm talking about in properly produced pop music, rather than, this isn't something you'd pick up on a standard YouTuber doing a tune, but it sounds a little bit more obvious when you're on something as slickly produced as this. Fine details, man. But hey, I'm always impressed by how far the guys come, so why not, from a listener's point of view, try and really just focus down on the small things that I'd personally recommend.
Me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hidden is deep, don't play.
Why the Street Fighter spinning stars? What was that all about? So she won the fight in a sparkly dress, and now she's not going to get bullied in the street. I don't really understand the whole video, but it doesn't really matter. I think there's going to be another big tune. Obviously, there's no real situation where a tune like this can play in a club at the moment for people. That's where tunes like this tend to gather momentum. You get the radio play, obviously, but it's the type of tune that people want to hear out and about. It's difficult at the moment over here because that ain't going to happen for weeks, and if not months, who knows, hopefully by summer. But regardless, once again, more impressed by KSI. None of the weird lyrics from the Craig David song there, much more straightforward. And like I said on the simulation review, I actually like him in that kind of auto-tuney lane. This isn't full auto-tune, Nath Smalls, M. Huncho, Travis Scott. By the way, that guy who revealed M. Huncho's face, what a little bitch. What a bitch move that is. Out of order. But yeah, that's another topic for another time. This doesn't go all the way into that level of autotune, but I think I just like him like that. Slight softening of his voice. I think we're so close to him just sounding so natural on tracks that it's just a normal part of music and your day, which is huge credit to a guy that started making FIFA YouTube videos, winding his brother up. Okay, so just fitting in this lane, that kind of dancey, garagey lane. Good idea. Enjoyed it a lot, man. That's it from me. Guys, let me know your thoughts on the track. Let me know your thoughts on KSI's career as a musician. Guy can do anything. It's crazy. I'll catch you on the next one, right? Peace.